How to deactivate Instagram account from app. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'll be showing you the ways to deactivate your Instagram account. So in order to deactivate your Instagram account, first of all, make sure that the application is completely updated. For that, head over to your Play Store and then on the search box type in Instagram and see whether the app needs to be updated or not. If the application is completely updated, go ahead and log in into your Instagram account, which is gonna look something like this. And while you're on this page, you have to go and tap on the profile icon located in the bottom right hand side corner, and here you have to go and tap on the try bar icon. Then you have to go to the settings and privacy page. Now you'll be able to find this page. Here you have to go ahead and tap on account center. As you click on account center, go to personal details, and under it go to account ownership and control. Since you're deactivating or deleting your account, so click on deactivate or delete. Select the particular account that you want to go with, and you have to go ahead and select that and click the continue button. Next procedure, it's going to ask you to type in the password associated with your Instagram account. Enter in the one, and you have successfully deactivated your Instagram account for 30 days. So that's basically how you can deactivate your Instagram account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.